The compression spring applies pressure to a pin that presses against the variable speed adjustment wheel. The pin holds the setting of the adjustment wheel. The most common reason to replace the spring is that it is lost while servicing another of the tool's parts. Installing a new spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing half of the rear handle housing. With the cover removed, now I have access to the dial. I'll remove it from the controller. The rivet is located beneath the dial, and I can remove it, along with the compression spring. Now I can install the new compression spring. It fits in the round hole next to the controller. I'll reinstall the rivet onto the spring. And now I'll reinstall the dial. One side of the dial has detents. The other side is flat. The side with the detents should go down against the rivet and spring. Also notice that the hole in the dial is a D shape, and this is to index it to the controller. So I'll make sure I have it properly aligned. And I'll finish by reinstalling the housing. And that's how easy it is to install a new compression spring in your polisher. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.